You've heard it, anyone can do affiliate marketing, and that is the biggest lie ever. All you do is put out a few links and spam them everywhere and you're gonna be rich. And that's the problem with affiliate marketing. Today I'm gonna go through who it's for, who it's not for, who can be successful with it, and who can't. Let's jump into it. In the business world, there's something called barrier to entry. Affiliate marketing has a low barrier to entry. For instance, McDonald's has a high barrier to entry, meaning you have to have a lot of money, you have to have the right credentials, right experience. It's a lot harder to get a McDonald's and you don't see many of them fail. When you have a business model with a low barrier to entry, like affiliate marketing, that means anybody can do it. Anybody can do it, but the problem is most people aren't going to do it successful, and here's why. Hey, if you like this video so far, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and bell notification, and hit that thumbs up while you're at it. I like to interact with everybody, so I answer all the comments, so leave a comment down below and let me know if there's anything with affiliate marketing that you're struggling with. We're in a culture where we all want success and we want it now. We want it fast. And if we don't see success quickly, then we give up. And that's the problem with a business model like affiliate marketing, is if you have that mindset where I need to make money in the next week, you're not going to be successful.
I need money.
And unfortunately, it's the stories where you hear people have put out some links, got lucky, and made $3,000. Most of those are not true right away. People do get a little bit lucky, but that's not what you want to base your business on. Instead, you want to take the long-term approach. You know, on average, it takes 28 months for somebody to go full-time on YouTube. That's over 2 years of producing videos each and every week. That's dedication. That's what it takes to be successful. I made a video almost every single day, some days 3, 4, 5 videos a day for over a year to get to what you see right over here on my TikTok channel, over 1 million followers. But that's producing videos day in and day out. It's a ton of work, but it's worth it if you're willing to stick with it. Okay, so now let's talk about what you can do to be successful. Number one, have the right expectations. Most businesses don't show a profit in the first 3 years. So if you have the right expectations and know that this is a real business that you're going to have to work at day after day, week after week, whether it's a side hustle or your full-time gig, you're gonna have to work at this for the next couple years in order to see profit. With that mindset, you're already gonna be ahead of 95% of the people who jump in and try affiliate marketing. Okay, now that you have the right mindset, what do? Let's jump into that. We all buy from people that we know, like, and trust. So you have to build that trust. And the best way to do that is through what's called content marketing. And that is answer questions, provide solutions, be helpful. By doing this, your audience will see you as an expert and believe in you. And as you build that trust, you recommend products that you use on a daily, weekly basis, products that you believe in. Now, in order to build that audience, I recommend that you start out on TikTok. If you are doing this full time, I would recommend TikTok and YouTube. And what you want to do is film videos on TikTok or YouTube that solve a problem. Let's start with TikTok. What I like to do is film a video that's less than 15 seconds long, gets right to the point, which is why TikTok is so successful right now. And it basically teaches somebody something that they can get value out of. In fact, let's watch this video right here and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Here's an iPhone trick I bet you didn't know, number 110. We're about to make your phone look like no one else's. Click on Settings, click on Accessibility, click on Display and Text Size, scroll down, click on Classic Invert, and now your phone looks like this. Great. So as you could tell, what I did was I jumped right on the screen with what's called the hook, get their attention right away, and then I jump right into the material quickly, and I give them just one point that they can use that will help them out. And by doing that, I've built an incredible following on TikTok. Down in the description below, I have a 7-step TikTok checklist. It's absolutely free that you can head over and download, and that'll give you exactly how to set up your TikTok channel, what types of videos you want to make, the video length, hashtags that you want to use, really everything you need to do from A to Z to get started on the right foot. Let's get into the pieces that you need to be successful. Number one, you need a traffic source, which we've talked about being whether it's TikTok or YouTube or even a blog. But I would say the short play is TikTok, the middle play to long play is YouTube, and the much longer is a blog, which personally I'm doing all three, but it is an absolute ton of work, even outsourcing some of the pieces. But that's kind of your traffic source initially to get started. Once you have that traffic source, and I know you've heard this before, you want to collect email addresses. And the reason for that, most of us don't make purchase decisions right away, but in order to build a relationship, I want to be able to reach out through email and provide value. And that is the key. Provide value. Every time I send an email, I ask myself, is this going to help the people who have given me their email address? And if the answer is no, I look at what can I add? What do I need to do to make sure that this content is helpful? Once you have that email and you're building those relationships, then what you can start to do is recommend products that you use on a regular basis. Just like I mentioned, the 7-step checklist down below. In other videos, I talk about the Camtasia, what I use to do editing, the video editing. I talk about some of the camera and lighting and the different things that I use because I know that those were things that I was looking for when I was trying to get started on YouTube and get started on TikTok. So I know those things are going to be helpful for people. When it comes to recommending products, just make sure that you're not recommending every single product that somebody sends you. Because I'll tell you, it takes a long time to build trust, but you send somebody to a product that's terrible and they buy it because you said it was good, you lose that trust forever and you lose that person. So make sure integrity is so important in this business if you want to be successful in the long term. So is affiliate marketing worth it? I think if you have the right expectations, absolutely. It's definitely worth it. You know, affiliate marketing really boils down to this. You create content that helps people, solves a problem called education-based marketing. And once you do that, it builds trust with your audience and you grow an audience. Over time, you collect enough emails and you build relationships that you start to recommend products that you believe in and people buy from people they know, like, and trust. And then once again, over that time span, you start to collect more and more commission to where it can become a full-time business. And you can collect through recommending products like affiliate marketing, through product sales. You can create courses, get paid on advertising. There's a lot of different ways to do it. Right here is another video that'll probably help you on your journey. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. But once again, thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Make it a great day.